Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 8th class, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is Science chapter number 5. The name of the lesson is Reproduction in Animals. In this chapter, we have already learned introduction about reproduction, and after that we have also read male reproductive organs in humans. Now today, inshallah, we will learn about female reproductive organs. These figures are the diagrams of the organs of female reproductive system, or we can say these are the female reproductive system or organs in humans. The first one important is that you must be able to draw a good diagram by your hands. I have also tried to make the diagram of female reproductive organ. It's very easy if you will try. Try makes man perfect. So if you will try, you can. If you will not try, you can never. So today we will learn how to make the diagram of female reproductive organs. After that, we will learn the names of that very organs one by one. After learning the names of the organs, we will also learn the functions of the female reproductive organs. Before I may start, I will remind you what we have already learned before this topic was the male reproductive organs or male reproductive system. This is the diagram of male reproductive system. These are the two testes. This one is penis and these two are the sperm ducts. So this is the diagram of the male reproductive system. These are the names of the organs of the male reproductive system, and after that we have already learned the functions. Testes, the functions of these testes, the pair of testes is to produce the male gametes, producing male gametes. And these sperm tubes, sperm ducts or sperm tubes, the function of these is to transport the sperm which the testes have already made. So these testes produce something, that is male gametes or sperm, which we call sperm or semen. And the function of sperm ductus is to transport the sperm, this male gamete, to other organs of the male reproductive system. And the function of this one, penis, is to discharge or excrete the sperm into the female reproductive system. This was all about the male reproductive system, which we have already learned. Now, today, we will learn the female reproductive organ. This is the diagram of the female reproductive organs. This is the one diagram, second diagram, third diagram. I have repeated these diagrams so that you will too make the diagrams at your home. Now, we will give the names of these, or we will learn the names of these female reproductive system. The main, or we can say the very important part of the female reproductive system is ovary. These two, ovary, O-V-A-R-Y, ovary. The second one is uterus, U-T-E-R-I-O-U-S, uterus. Third one is vagina. Fourth one is this one. It's called oviduct. These are the names of the female reproductive system. Now, we will read the functions of this organs. Name of the organs of the female reproductive system and their functions. What is their function? What is their work? What role they play? First of all, we will see the very important organ of the female reproductive system, that is ovary. Ovary. In male reproductive system, this is separate from this one. This I have already learned. This one. This was the male reproductive system. And this is the female reproductive system or organs. Here there was the testes. In male reproductive system, there were the testes which were producing male gametes called sperm. Here also the ovaries are producing the female gametes. Ovaries produce female gametes. Female gametes are female hormones which are known as ova or egg cells, we can say. So the ovary plays a role of producing the female gametes, which is known as the ovary. Now the second is just like the testes. The testes also produces the male gametes which are called as sperm, and vagina also produces the female gametes called ova. Now second is uterus. Uterios. Uterus. Uterus is also the part of female reproductive system. Uterus is also part of female reproductive system. The function of this uterus is the function of this female reproductive organ is that it is a part, or we can say it is an organ where development or growth of baby takes place. The third one is oviduct. 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 It is in the lower part of uterus. There is the uterus, and the lower part of uterus is here. So this is the uterus, the part of uterus, and this one is oviduct. So it is located in the lower part of the uterus. First, this is also called fallopian tubes. Fallopian tubes, the second name of this one is. This transports ova from ovary to uterus. Just like this sperm duct. This transports the sperm from testes to other organs of the male reproductive system. The same is here. The oviduct plays a role of transportation of the ova from ovary, from this one or this one, from ovary to uterus. So this transportation of ova from ovary to uterus, this function is done by oviduct or fallopian tubes. Dear students, the last one is vagina. This one or this one. The role of vagina is to, when development of the baby takes place, full development, full growth of the body takes place inside the uterus, then this baby, full grown baby, comes out. Full grown baby or completed baby, full grown baby comes out from the body. This body will come out, or we can say the baby will come out. The baby comes out from this part or from this organ that is called the vagina. So the role of the vagina, the function of the vagina is that the full grown baby comes out from the body. The baby comes, the organ by which the baby comes out from the body is known as, it comes out from the vagina. Therefore, the function of the vagina is that the baby, the organ by which the baby comes out, that part is known as the vagina, or the function of that very organ is vagina. My dear students, hope you might have watched this video, and in next class, inshallah, we will learn about fertilization. Khuda Hafiz.